Hi, I'm Olivia from Clinked.com, and today I'm going to give you some advice on how to boost unity when working remotely. So the majority of you watching this now are potentially working from home, and some of you may have found this a blessing in disguise, and others may be really keen to get back into the office. Working from home isn't for everyone, but you simply might have had no other choice with the impacts of COVID. So whilst we're at home, what can we do to keep morale high and keep encouraging unity in the workday? So firstly, communication platforms are vital to keeping the company running smoothly day to day. Without a place to collaborate and upload content, email threads get longer and attachments get lost in long email chains. A communication platform allows you to keep up to date in real time with the use of notifications, discussion boards, and instant messages for quick updates. Let's face it, these days everyone is on fast forward mode, and you might not have the time to wait for an email response. So a chat feature can be really handy for efficient and quick timely responses. Secondly, make sure you make time for non-work related topics. Some companies might refer to this as a team social or a water cooler. Simply have a break with a colleague to discuss your hobbies and interests outside of work. Usually this might be done in a break room or a kitchen area, but now everyone's working remotely, you can do this via video conferencing tool. And have a chat about your surroundings and familiarise yourself with theirs. Thirdly, make sure you show appreciation and give credit where credit's due. One great way to impart the feeling that work is appreciated is to give company-wide shout-outs to either individuals or specific teams for achievements. This will remind individuals and teams that their hard work is contributing to an overall larger mission. Arguably, business is a type of community in itself, so simply belonging to this organisation can create a sense of unity also. Social media and Zoominars can actively promote participation in the community and really bring business members together. Now more than ever, we face uncertain times, so people crave the support that comes from the feeling of belonging to a community. It helps us feel less isolated when working remotely and increases productivity. So whether you're enjoying working from home or you're missing the buzz of the office, we hope this has provided you with some great tips on how to boost unity when working remotely. And if you're curious about more Clinked tips, please hit the subscribe button below so you can keep up to date on all things client portals and remote working.